So, what's a high yield savings account? Well, today we're going to be talking about just that. A high yield savings account is a type of savings account that offers better than average interest rates on deposits. Typically, high yield savings accounts, they pay significantly more than the national average of a standard or traditional savings account. The vast majority of high yield savings accounts have FDIC insurance, basically meaning that your money is backed by the full faith and credit of the US government. A key thing to remember about high yield savings accounts is that they're online banks, and they don't have brick and mortar stores like traditional banks, and thus, by having these online banks, they're able to keep their overhead costs a lot lower. So as of August 21st of 2023, the national average rate for savings accounts was a measly 0.43% according to the FDIC. Today, I'll be covering 8 high yield savings accounts that offer at least 4.25% APY or more. But first, I will take you over to the calculator and show you how much your savings can grow per year using a high yield savings account. Alright, so now we're on calculator.net, and I wanted to show for an initial deposit of $1,000 over the span of 1 year, how much I wanted to show the difference between a high interest savings account and a traditional savings account. So the average savings account for 2023 as of August is 0.43%. So when you hit the calculate button, you see that at the end of the year, you only have earned $4.30 in interest. Whereas if you put in 4.25%, you'll get interest of $42.50. If you move it up to 4.50% at the end of the year, you'd be getting $45 in interest. And then if you move it up to 5.25% and hit calculate, you'll get $52.50 in interest. Now, this may not seem like a lot, especially only over the span of 1 year, but even the difference of about $50 or $40 or $45, it adds up over time. And if you can start making these types of small decisions each day on where to save your money, it can add up tremendously in the long run. And the first high yield savings account we're going to cover is Ally Bank. They offer a 4.25% annual percentage yield. Some of the features are no overdraft fees, no ACH transfer fees, no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance to open, and no incoming wire fees. Wow, this is a very low cost, very low cost high yield savings account. And the next high yield savings account we'll be looking at is the Marcus by Goldman Sachs 4.30% APY. So some of the features of this is that there's no fees, as well as no minimum deposit, same day transfers of $100,000 or less to and from other banks, and they have a contact center that's available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. In the first high yield savings account that we will be looking at that has a 4.50% APY is SoFi. Some of the features of SoFi is that there's no account fees, there's no overdraft fees. You can cash in on up to $250 when you sign up and set up for direct deposit. It's also FDIC insured. You can also get up to 15% cash back at local businesses. It also offers 2-day early paycheck and up to $2 million of FDIC insurance through a network of participating banks. And the next high yield savings account that offers a 4.50% APY is LendingClub. Some of the features of LendingClub include no monthly fees, 24/7 customer support, a free ATM card, and then FDIC insurance up to the maximum amount allowed, which is $250,000 per depositor. In addition to this, you also have mobile check deposit, and you can open an account online with as little as $100. And the last high yield savings account that offers a 4.50% APY that we'll be covering is Synchrony. Some of the features of Synchrony include no minimum deposit, no minimum balance, as well as no monthly fees. Wealthfront offers a high yield savings account with a 4.80% APY. Some of the benefits of Wealthfront include no account fees, unlimited withdrawals and transfers, up to $5 million of FDIC insurance through the partner banks, There's no minimum or maximum balance to earn 4.80% APY. That's a really good feature. You can get paid up to 2 days earlier with direct deposit. You can do wire transfers for just $10. You can also, it's compatible with Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. And you can also pay bills and plus send and deposit checks. Western Alliance Bank offers a 5.25% APY high yield savings account. Some of the features include no fees. It is FDIC insured. There is only a $1 minimum deposit, and you get 24/7 online access. And lastly, UFB Direct offers a high yield savings account offering 5.25% APY. Some of the features is use no maintenance or service fees, no minimum deposit requirement, complimentary ATM card, digital tools for seamless remote banking, and lastly, free transfers between direct deposit accounts. Now, there are a few key things to remember with high yield savings accounts. One of them is that the APY is going to fluctuate constantly throughout the year, really depending on the decisions that the Federal Reserve Board makes, whether to raise interest rates or lower interest rates. With a lot of these high yield savings accounts, there are also certain minimum initial deposits that you need to meet and other requirements that you'll need to read further into before signing up. But if you're saving for short-term goals like buying a car or buying a house, then a high yield savings account can help your money grow a lot faster than a traditional savings account would. Well, if you've enjoyed this video and gotten value out of it, feel free to give it a like, comment down below, and feel free to subscribe. Have a great day.